As the name says, correspondence and task management system, it's fairly simple and easy idea to understand. We are very much familiar of the correspondence and task management system, which we have somehow used as in emails or as in SMSs or even as the IVR systems. So there's nothing new as long as the idea is concerned. What is in this simplest idea we have tried to bring is to connect with some kind of smart authentications and connect with all those email, messaging, fax, or even the scanner systems that we are having in our organizations or in our small, medium businesses. So as I mentioned that this is the correspondence and task management system, which is your life in any of the small, medium business or any kind of enterprise. You have emails in your organization, you have the faxes also coming in and out, but you don't have the track at all. What is related to what? So you have a one email coming in, you have a one fax going out. You can't comprehend which task is doing which person under what communication which you have received in. Say for example, you have received a one kind of email requesting you for a simple thing which is get me the bill of quantity. So you need someone to do that bill of quantity for you. Now, who's going to do that? You don't know. And maybe that bill of quantity, of course, it requires a response back to the sender. So that requires the outbound correspondence from you. And that also requires a review. That also requires the approval. That also requires the signatories maybe on that. So all these things, what we have tried to do is that put into one automated system, which is not actually an email system. Let me say this, which is not actually the fax system for you. It has the adapters to connect all your existing systems, which can just help you out to manage all these things. What it provides you, it meets all your requirements of traceability, the auditability, and also the insight of what's going in and out of your organization. What the main features in your system and the enterprise management are just fairly three. The correspondence, task management, and then the document repository, which you can attach to correspondence or task. And we have many more features to it. It's not just the correspondence system, which can just talk to your emails, which can just talk to your SMSs or the faxes. It has the built-in chat, it has the audit, it has the much more richer features that you can see in any today's any kind of rich application. So we are already having all those. So how does it work? It's fairly simple. In an inbound correspondence, you receive a correspondence which you have to register either manually or if you have any kind of server, for instance, any like incoming communication server, for example, SMS or email server or fax server, we have adapter to connect to it. So once that is in the correspondence system, all you have to do is to assign it to person or create certain tasks for that. And also, if you want to respond back on it, then you have to create an outbound correspondence on top of it. So how that correspondence is gonna look like. So maybe you need someone to review it, and maybe you need someone to sign that. So you have the option to eat one biggest rule engine we have, where you can configure all these rules, who will be defining, who will be approving, and who will be signing. Now, as long as the idea is fairly simple, how are we doing with the authentication is also similarly, we are using the EIDA card, the EIDA authentication, which is smart card, and we are using its authentication mechanism to log into the system. And also we are using the authentication mechanism, similar kind of thing. We extract your EIDA signature, which you have given at the time of biometric submission at the EIDA. So we extract that information from the card and put it on the correspondence as a signatory. So you as a boss, big guy, are signing a correspondence, which is gonna go fly either by fax or by email. So you don't have to literally sign. So just imagine a power of this utility, which is gonna be in your organization, where your bosses don't really need. Where, for example, my own boss don't want to sign the pile of applications just by the pen. All he have to do is just to look into the correspondence, which is already reviewed, no typos, no problem, all figures are correct. All we need is his signature. So he's going to log into the system, see it, swipe the smart card, and that's all he have to do. And how the task is working? Task is fairly simple. You can assign it to a group of people. You can assign it to individual. That individual do the task for respective correspondence. And we have also the mobile application built on this, which is actually using all those features, all possible features which you can have on the rich client or a web client, similarly on your mobile application. So we are currently having the iPhone and the HTC based, which is Windows 7 based applications. And we are also planning for BlackBerry and furthermore. So currently we are having these two features. So the idea is to have a business on go for all those management and the executive personals who just want to see what is coming in and out of their organization. So the whole concept is a transparency. You're already having it, but the things are in bits and pieces. And you can also, if you're not even a manager, if you just want to know what is coming to you and what you are supposed to do today as a consolidated view, you can see what is pending at your end for today or what you have asked someone to do that. So you can also look at two different kind of views into our dashboards of the mobile applications. And that's all. If you have any question, and it's a fairly simple idea, I'm sure the concept is fairly simple. If you have any questions, I welcome you. It's okay, thank you.